Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, I'm finally doing the review of my Speedy 25B. I've been saying for weeks now since I purchased this that I would be doing a review, mod shots, what fits inside, all of that good stuff, and I just haven't gotten around to it, but today I'm finally sitting down to film this video. But before we get into this video, y'all, first and foremost, my head is really short, or my hair is very short today, and it's because I shaved my hair after not shaving it for I think a month, and so it was extremely long and I forgot what number on my razor to choose or that I normally use, and so I picked one that was one too short, like 1 millimeter I think too short, and so now it's almost completely bald, but that's fine. Hopefully in like 3 days it'll grow back. It'll be like at the perfect length that I like it. And also, getting off of my shaving razor story, this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, you guys. Everything that I have on in this video is from Ana Luisa. I have a nice little bangle, arm cuff. I have 2 rings on my fingers that are from Ana Luisa. My earrings and my necklace are all from Ana Luisa. I will put pictures maybe over here so you guys can see the name or what they look like on the model. And as you guys know, Ana Luisa is a dear friend on this channel. We've been working and partnering together for a very long time. I believe I have pieces from Ana Luisa from like 2018 that are still going strong, still look new, still look amazing, and I still wear them all the time and get all of the compliments in the world. But right now, I'm pretty sure with my discount code, you guys, you can save 10% on your order. I believe the discount code is Haley 10. Sometimes it's Haley Alexis, but I'm pretty sure it's Haley 10 this time. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see. Ana Luisa is a carbon neutral, mission friendly brand. So while you are shopping for amazing quality, budget friendly staple and statement pieces, you can rest assured that you are doing something good for the environment. And like I said, they have something for every budget, for every personality type, for every style out there. If you're a gold person, if you're a silver person, if you like color, if you don't like color, if you like design, if you like plain and simple, they have everything. And so I can highly recommend Ana Luisa, you guys. It's slowly getting into the gift giving months, but I would also recommend going on over to the website and maybe picking out gifts for yourself, but also for other people as well, because I really can say, or I would be happy getting any of the pieces that I have from Ana Luisa as a gift for birthday, Christmas, or any holiday out there. And so yeah, with all that being said, thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video, and let's get right into the review. So this is what you guys came to see, this little bad boy right here, the Speedy 25, ooh, the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 Damier Ebene B. Speedy 25B and Damier Ebene from Louis Vuitton. Y'all. This bag, first and foremost, I have to give it praises. I used to hate this bag. I remember when I was younger, I didn't even know what Louis Vuitton was when I was younger. I understood that it was a nice brand. I didn't know what luxury designer was when I was younger, but I remember a lot of women had this bag or the Neverfull. But I'm pretty sure I saw more of this when I was younger because this came out before the Neverfull. And I just remember seeing it and thinking to myself, it's not that cool of a bag. And then the Neverfull came out, everyone had the Neverfull, and I preferred the Neverfull over the Speedy. And so I was really shocked when I purchased this bag. It was sort of on a whim, or sort of not on a whim, and I did my research. I watched so many videos, I read so many blog posts, I looked at so many different outfit choices on Google, and I did so many searches for everything. I went on Instagram and hashtagged Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 Damier Ebene and looked through everything. I spent hours looking up this bag. So it wasn't necessarily on a whim, but it was a shocking purchase for me, seeing as though I did go in looking for a monogram canvas bag and came out with this bag. But I was like, you know what? It's a really good price here in Europe, so why not? It's a staple bag from Louis Vuitton. It's a staple, how do you say, shape. It's something that you can always dust off and use, and also hand me down, or if I wanted to sell it, which I keep saying if I want to sell a bag, and I will sell any of my bags, y'all. So, but I took this to Florida. I just went to Florida recently for 4 weeks, and I only brought this bag and my, I think, Michael Kors crossbody Ginny or Guinea bag. And I did not use the Michael Kors bag. I did actually, let me not lie to you. I wore it once because I went out to like a nasty bar with my friends, and I was not about to bring a nice bag where people are like spilling alcohol and stuff. But the rest of the trip, all other like 29 days that I was there, this bag was the only bag I used. And I'm honestly shocked. Like there's no wear, there's no tear on it, there's nothing. And everyone also was like, did you only bring this bag? And I was like, yeah, I bought it and I didn't want it to sit at my house for 4 weeks while I was gone. So I brought it with me in the hopes that I would use it maybe once or twice. And then I used it once and then it never was emptied out. After that. I'm so in love with this bag that I could see myself loving this bag more than my Neverfull, more than my Neo No Way, not more than my Delphine, and not more than my favorite. I'm trying to think of what other Louis bags I have. Maybe not the Neo Alma either, but the other two that I just mentioned, I love this bag. And I think the reason I like it so much is that it's not big, but it holds everything. So the Neverfull and the Neo No Way, they're big and they hold a bunch, but they're like big, if that makes sense. They're totes, they're bucket bags, they're made to be big. There are people that like big bags. I think I've realized now, slowly but surely, I like smaller, compactor bags that can pack a punch or that can hold everything that I need. And so while this cannot hold everything that the Neverfull holds, it holds enough. I fit a pair of shoes in here, I fit my water bottle in here, I fit a book in here, I fit everything in here and then still had space. And I think that's what surprised me most about this bag, because when you look at it and when you have it like in your hand in person, especially when you go into the boutique the first time and you see it, you're like, that's a small bag. Like when I saw this for the first time in the Louis Vuitton store, I was like, it's a lot smaller than it looks in videos, if that makes sense. And then when I took it home and used it for the first time, I'm like, oh, it actually fits a lot. When I was in Florida, I kept putting like sunglass cases inside and I like would just leave them in there. And then one day all my sunglass cases were gone. And I'm like, where are all my sunglasses? I had 6 sunglass cases in here and I just kept taking them out and I'm like, what in the world was I thinking? And it wasn't bulky. It wasn't like pushed to the max. There was still more space in here. So talking about let's talk about what how it fits on me. So I am 5'8", 5'9", you guys. And here is the strap. And I haven't really changed it. I don't think I've changed it too much since I've owned it. There are 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there are 3 holes to where you can adjust the length of the strap. So I'm thinking you maybe have like 3 inches, give or take, with this. Oh no, there's 3 on the other end as well. So maybe you have like 4 to 6 inches of wiggle room. So I think it's good for anyone. I think if you're very skinny, very short, it could be maybe a little too big for you. I'm talking about very skinny though. If you're a little bit wider, it might be a little too small. If you're somewhere in the middle, I think this bag might be perfect for you. I know everyone's going to say in the comment section that anybody can wear whatever they want. That's fine. I'm just giving my opinion on who I think it looks the best on. I might be a little too big for this bag, yet I still wear it and I still love it. I'm just saying what I think would look the best, which is against my body type and how I look with the bag, but I don't care. So don't take anything I say too serious. But this is what it looks like on with the longest strap. And then this is what it looks like on with the strap shortened to the shortest possible setting that it can go to. Now on the inside, this one little pocket zip up here, I use it, but just not really much can fit. I don't think my phone can fit inside. I just put little knickknacks. Usually that's where my money goes and I zip it so it's a little bit more secure because I sometimes just leave it on my shoulder or like hanging crossbody with it open like this. And so I don't want anyone to stick their hand inside. And if they do, they wouldn't be able to unzip this because this zipper is quite difficult to unzip. And I mean, not much to say about the interior, you guys. I think you know what it looks like. Red interior, one big open hole. There's a little keychain fob here where you can put like attach more like a keychain or something, a lanyard, I don't know what you have. And yeah, what fits inside. So I'm going to take my full-size wallet. I'm going to take my cell phone, and I'm going to take maybe a little pouch of makeup, or I'll just take the items by themselves and stuff them in the bag and make sure that they're closed. I will take my vlogging camera, or I can take my bigger camera as well, which isn't as compact. It has a lens, it sometimes has a microphone on it, and stick it in there as well. I can fit my book maybe in here, my sunglasses, a few other knickknacks, let's say. The thing is though, if you add a whole bunch of things at once, it does become extremely heavy. This bag can be very heavy. I don't know how or why this sometimes feels like it's a little bit heavier than my Neverfull when it's full, which I know it is not. I think it's just because the concentration of the strap on my shoulder makes it feel like it's a lot heavier because it's all in one location. And so yeah, that was it, you guys. That was the bag. I hope you enjoyed the bag. I hope you loved the bag. If not, then I don't know what to tell you. If you're thinking about this bag, or if you have this bag, you can let me know what you like about it, what you don't like about it. I know I didn't talk about any cons, but at this point, I really don't have any, and I'm really happy that I have it. And so yeah, thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video, and thank you for continuously supporting my channel and sending me over these amazing pieces of jewelry. Like I said, you guys, don't forget to use my link to save a little money on your next purchase, and check out Ana Luisa down below. Other than that, you guys, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and bye.